In this video, you will learn how you can activate music in Instagram Notes. First, what you should do, go to Play Store application here and account and verify that your Instagram is updated. Search Instagram here and we can see this is update. And that your Play Store is updated. If you don't know how to update it, we also have a video where you can learn how you can update your Play Store. Now, second thing we are going to do is go to Instagram application and you are going to press the home here, and then in the upper right where the message appears here, you will see that a note appears here, and we are going to do is add one the following way. Of course, what we will do is press our icon here and we can see that it will take us to the music section like when you Play Store. Select music and we can see bibliothèque of music. Accept and share. Now all the people who follow you will be able to see that you just upload a music note, and they will also be able to listen to the song. That will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And what do you think about this video, and if you like it, leave in the comment.